Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on cleaning the internal components of your Dreame Robot RLS6LADC. Keeping your robot vacuum clean internally is crucial for maintaining its performance and longevity. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. Having these items ready will make the process smoother. Now, let's begin by ensuring your robot is turned off and unplugged. For safety, remove the battery if possible. Start with the exterior by using the soft brush to remove any debris from the surface. This step helps prevent dirt from entering the internal components. Next, flip the robot over. You will see several screws holding the bottom cover in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom cover. You might need to wiggle it slightly to release the clips. With the cover off, you can now access the internal parts. Take a moment to inspect them for any dust or debris buildup. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces. If you find stubborn grime, dampen the cloth slightly with isopropyl alcohol. This will help break down any sticky residues. Be cautious not to use too much liquid, as you don't want it to seep into the electronic components. While you're inside, check the sensors and brushes. These parts can accumulate dirt, impacting the robot's performance. Clean them gently using the soft brush and a dry cloth. If your robot isn't performing as expected, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help identify any underlying issues. Once you have thoroughly cleaned all internal components, it's time to reassemble your Dreame robot. Carefully place the bottom cover back on and align it with the clips. Replace the screws and tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. After reassembly, it's essential to perform a quick test. Turn the robot back on and run a short cleaning cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. In conclusion, regular internal cleaning of your Dreame Robot RLS6LADC is vital to keep it running efficiently. With the right tools and a little effort, you can maintain its performance and prolong its lifespan. And if you ever need assistance, we offer quotes before repair to keep you informed of any potential costs. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.